Okay, yo, bro.
Why?
So basically, Krix is presenting some kind of build here.
What the fuck is this?
Hello, Mr. President. I'm going to present to you the Project Silent Bird 2.0. Its main objective
What happened
is
to the What happened to the first one?
I was very hungry. Its main objective is to kill brain rot children.
Yo, kill this guy. He's yapping way too much. Kill him. He's
No!
yapping way too much. Alright, so I'm gonna. I don't know how this works, but I'm just gonna. I think I need to do this. Well, it's not doing anything. Is it broken?
Oh my god, what the hell is going on here? What's going on? It's pulling us in! Yo, where are we, bro?
I don't know. I think
Yo,
It's the Briggs.
yo, I see some green stuff. I see some green stuff. Go in. I'm going in. Ah! What is this place? Whoa.
What the heck?
What is this place, guys? Bro, what is this place?
I don't know.
Some crazy shit. Yo, I see something.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yo, I see something. Yo,
What
it's a
in
grappler.
the goofy fuck?
It's a grappler.
I'm the president. I can buy anything. I'm way too rich.
Oh, yo, Mr. President, the time is for you to go to sleep.
But I don't wanna go to sleep.
No, bro, look at the time, bro. It's 11 p.m. already, bro. You gotta go to bed.
Yeah.